Welcome back everyone to this video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to make items get automatically picked up. Because right now, even this meat over here, I have to be able to press E to pick it up. And maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want it to automatically pick up. And it's actually very easy. So let's head over to entities. And what we'll do is in our player survivor, we're going to add a new script. And this will trigger when this entity touches item. That's the trigger we need. So when this entity touches any item, right, we want to pick it up. Now, maybe there's some items you don't want to pick up, but that would have to be something you add. You might have to add like a condition or maybe like check for the item that you're picking up, right? You can add a bunch of if statements checking if it's this item, if it's this item, or if it's not this item. It's up to you. So, but all we need to do to make this pick it up automatically is we need to make unit pickup item. Now you could also do at slot if you'd like, but I'm just going to do pickup item. Now this is pretty simple. Here we just say this entity of the script and then pick up the item of the last triggering, right? We want to get the last triggering item, right? Because this script triggered when I touched an item. And that's it. So now you can just hit save and apply. I'm going to publish just in case. And now we see a meet and we can see that we don't interact with it. Now the question is why? Well, we need to actually make sure that this is interacting with us, right? So in our meet, let's make sure we go to the body type and in not the selected, the dropped, we need to make sure at the bottom that this collides with a unit specifically. Of course, we can turn this on for all of them, but most likely we'll just need units, right? Because our player was a unit, so we need to be able to collide with it. Let's see if this works. And there we go. We now are able to pick up the meat. Perfect. All right, if you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button down below. If you guys have any requests, put them in the comments down below and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.